If you're looking for an easy way to make passive income, I have got a good one for you today. I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create clip art to sell on Etsy, Creative Fabrica, Teachers Pay Teachers, and more. You can also use this clip art for your digital downloads that you're selling or your print-on-demand products so that you have your own unique clip art to use for your products. No one else is going to have the same thing. The AI that we're going to be using today is Creative Fabrica's Spark. And if you want to try it for free, check the link in the description and you can get 1,000 free ignites to try it out and kind of learn how to write the prompts properly and all that stuff. Play around with it and make some unique clip art of your own. There is a learning curve to putting in the prompts and getting what you really want out of the AI tools. So these freebies come in really handy so that you can figure it all out without having to spend any money. So let's go check it out. So I'm here on Creative Fabrica, and if you haven't signed up for Spark yet, you'll probably have a banner up here that says you can sign up for a free trial. If you do already have it, then you'll have this little tab here that says Spark. So what we're going to go to is the Create Transparent PNGs. I've played around with a bunch of different prompts, and some of the things I got some really strange results, and then some of them I get some really awesome things. So you just will have to play around with it and be patient. Try different things. When you get a result that you don't like, then think about what you could put in to get the right result. For the PNGs, there are these 6 different kinds that you can generate. So I'll show you all 6 of them with one thing so that you can see what the difference is. So I'm gonna put an ice cream cone. I don't know, I haven't played with this, so I have no idea what the results are gonna be. Maybe I'll do with sprinkles and a cherry. Let's say realistic. Okay, so I'm on this Origin 2D V1, so we're gonna start there. I'm just gonna hit ignite, and then for these, it'll give you 8 different options. And it will take a minute. I'm gonna cut out the part where we're waiting in the video, but just keep in mind it's gonna take a minute for it to generate. Okay, so here's what we got for this one. So these all look pretty good, actually. This looks a little strange right here, but for the most part, these look pretty good. So if you like one of them, you can go to publish right here, and you can either just publish it, or you can publish it and hide your prompt so that other people can't copy your prompt, or you can do a private download. I believe if you do private download, other people can't see it, but in the terms and conditions, it does say Creative Fabrica can use these images. So I'm not 100% clear on the private thing. Something to consider. You can actually reach out to Creative Fabrica if you want to know for sure how that works. If you want to see it up close, you can click on this pencil here and it'll give you a bigger picture of it. And you can see this checkered part back here. That means it's a PNG, so that is the transparent background. So now I'm going to do the same prompt with the Origin 2D V2 and see what we get. Okay, so we have they changed colors on us here. Some of these are a little weird, like this one right here. This one's pretty cute. I wish the cherry was on the top. I guess I could have said a cherry on top would have been more specific. This one's cute. Let's look at it closer. See the whole thing. Actually, so these are all cut off, and that doesn't make me very happy. So you can always try again. I'm gonna add a cherry on top just to be more specific about what I want. And then we'll go to the 3D V1. If you don't get what you want, just add on to your prompt or remove something from your prompt if you think that's messing it up. And then that way, you know, you can keep trying different things until you get the right image. Okay, so here's the results for this one. Some of these are very strange. I said cherry on top, and now the cherry is like in super weird places. This one right here is pretty cute. So now maybe I won't say on top, I'll just say a cherry. Or maybe I'll just remove the cherry entirely. Okay, so now we'll go on to the 3D V2. Oh, these are looking pretty cool. I really like this one. It shows the whole cone and it has sprinkles and two colors. So that's cute. This one's crazy wonky. And this one's really cute too. And this one's really cute. So I have some good options here. The one thing I want to say about this though is be sure to check these really thoroughly before you sell them, because sometimes they'll have like something weird about them. So you don't want to be selling something with like a weird, like if you do an animal, sometimes it'll have an extra foot or something like that. So just watch out for those kind of things. Okay, so now we're going to go to the 007 V1. So this is more like a cartoonish style with outlines and things like that. So these are really fun. Some of them look weird though. So I like this one, and this one's pretty cute too. And then we'll do the 007 V2. These turned out the best of all. I think this is really the only one that looks crazy. So 007 V2, these actually would be really great for clip art too, the style of them. So now something else that you can do with these, so I like this one. We can create some variations of this with their image mix. So I'm going to click on this and we'll see what we get with that. So it already pulled my picture in here. So we're just going to click generate. And for this one, it gives you 12 different options. So then it gives some different variations. This is pretty cute with all the sprinkles everywhere. This one's pretty cute. A double scoop here. And then this one I like a lot. So then you have some other options that you can use as well. So again, if you want to download these, you can just download here. Now these you don't have the option to download privately. So I think if you download these, they might be published to the community feed, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Okay, so now I want to show you. So if we go up to the Spark tab again, we can browse all of the other ones. So I'm going to browse the transparent PNGs that other people have made. And you're allowed to use these for commercial use. It does not say print on demand, so I don't know. I would assume that that is not okay, but you could use it for your printables and things like that. Look how cute this is. I have yet to figure out how to get something this adorable, but I'm sure it's possible with a lot of practice. Now, don't use any of these characters that people are making here. That's still copyrighted, still trademarked by the companies, so don't use those. So we have all these different ones. So like this little one right here is really cute. So this is the prompt that they use. They'll show you in the square right here the prompt that they used. So you can actually copy this right here and use the same prompt to try to make something of your own. Some of them will say the prompt is hidden by its creator if they downloaded it without sharing the prompt. So just depends. You'll have to check and see. And you can just directly open it in the PNG creator. And it also shows you right here which model that they used. So this one was 3D V2. We can try to use this prompt. So I'm just going to open this in the PNG creator, the crystalline. Okay, so here's the prompt that they used. And then they used 3D V2. So let's see what results we get from that same prompt. So far doing this, my results have been very different from the original, but we'll see. Okay, so those didn't turn out too bad. I would probably add a color because it's giving me these black and white ones. So I would probably add like brown to this. So let's see. Let's say long-haired brown and try that again. Oh, look how cute. These turned out so cute. So you can do that with any of the ones that they share the prompt for. If they don't share the prompt, let's find one of those. Okay, so like this one, they did not share the prompt. So here's what we're gonna do with this one. We're gonna click on it and then we're gonna download it. And then it'll be in a zip file. So you wanna open the zip file and then extract all and then click extract. So now we're gonna go to our Spark tab and then we're gonna go down to create image mixes. And then I'm just gonna click here to upload that image. Okay, so now I got my little butterfly image here that I downloaded. So I'm just gonna click generate. You can also find any image off of the internet and put the URL in, or you can upload it SVG, JPEG, or PNG and do the same thing. So we're gonna generate here. And here are a bunch of butterflies that we made. So now you can use these for anything that you want. These actually turned out really pretty. So you can do the same thing, just download and use them for your anything that you want to use them for. So I just wanted to clarify, and please read the terms and conditions of using the Spark AI, because I want you to understand for sure what the usage is that's allowed. But it says that anything that you create yourself is able to be used in any way that you want. You can use it for print on demand, you can use it for printables, you can use it for anything. You can sell it, you can give it away for free. That's for the ones that you make yourself. Now, the ones that are in the community feed that other people have created, it'll tell you when you go to download it what the usage is, but it usually just says commercial. So I don't think you can use those for print on demand. So if you wanted to make something similar, you could just do the remix thing like I just showed you how to do, and that will make your own unique thing that you can use in any way that you want. If you want to learn how to make digital paper using AI, be sure to watch this video here and I'll show you exactly how to do it.